Echelon and Full Sail University have partnered together to create innovative next-generation fitness technology through collaboration and real-world education.
Echelon Fitness is on the cutting edge of technology for fitness, using AI, using data-driven performance and biometrics for our customers, but we also are a content provider. And because we are a content provider, that allows us to use multiple facilities at Full Sail to have students working on projects for us that cover all of these areas. We're actually able to pull these students in and they already can hit the ground running because they know our software, they know our systems, and they've already been exposed to the emerging technology in the industry. The benefit really is being able to put together those augmented teams that can really help you through backlog and projects you might not normally have put as a priority. You're able to do that now.
Echelon is a really amazing opportunity for Full Sail students. They are able to work on a project while they're in school. Some of the instructors will talk about the impact that the project has on the students, and they can see the excitement. They can jump in, they will learn how a company works outside of Full Sail, so that also solidifies some of the educational content that we're providing them.
When I first got into Full Sail, my goal was just to learn. My focus was on mobile development. Working at Echelon was a little bit of a test to those skills. Here I get to work on hardware and really put my skill set that I learned at Full Sail to the test.
Working with Echelon exposes the Full Sail students to real-world practices and applications. It's not just about coding. It's about everything that happens in order to get the code from development to the consumer, which is something that you can only find in a real-world experience.
When students come in to work with us, we really get to see what up-and-coming talent looks like. They are so very well prepared. They are working as developers. The processes are the same, the people they talk to are the same. They learn to work with us and they learn to work well together. We get a lot of good talent from Full Sail.
Since graduating, I've been focused on becoming an iOS engineer, which led me to join Echelon as a junior developer. Over time, I've grown into lead developer, taking on major projects and shaping key features of the app. One of the projects that I got to work on here at Echelon was the Apple Watch app. Thousands of our users use the Apple Watch, so it's really cool to see something we create be used by thousands of our members every day.
I'm really grateful for my time at Full Sail. They take a real-world approach, which is great because you're constantly working on projects. And now that I've been in the industry, it's really helped me to grow rapidly into my field and to be the professional that I am today.
We get to have the benefit of having amazing students come and work on our products with our teams and get to learn from them as well as us.
We're evolving this lab as technology evolves, as the students evolve, and we're working together to find what fits for not just the students, but also for us as a company, so that we can then effectively change the industry and have the best and brightest students in the workforce.